In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to install an SSD and hard drive into the DVD bay to serve as my second storage. Also, I'm going to upgrade its RAM from 8GB to 12GB of RAM. I've already migrated everything into the SSD using the data migration software from Samsung website. To do that, you're going to need a SATA cable, so it takes about 30 to an hour of waiting time. So here are the things that I need. The HDD CADDY, this one is 12.7mm in size. You can check your DVD drive size by going to Device Manager, Disk Drive, and Google the model number. The SSD, screwdriver, and my 8GB of RAM. Now turn off your laptop and remove the battery. Unscrew the back panel. Slide out the hard drive. In this part of the clip, I'm gonna be removing the front cover of my DVD drive and attach it onto the HDD CADDY. In connecting the hard disk to the CADDY, you may have to loosen up the screws at each side for the hard drive to fit in. Remove the bracket from the optical drive and attach it to your HDD CADDY. That will help secure your CADDY into your laptop. Now for the RAM, there's sort of two little clasps that holding the RAM, one on each side. Just slide them outward and pull out the old RAM you want to replace. Slide the new RAM and push it down, and you'll hear the clasp locking your RAM in place. Put your SSD by just reversing the process. Screw the back panel and put the battery back in place. Your laptop on. Press F2 several times while booting your laptop to get to the BIOS in order to properly configure your laptop to boot up on your SSD and your hard drive as additional storage. So here I'm just going to press escape since it appears there are two SSDs even though I just installed one. So let's see if it will boot up on SSD. Now my laptop runs faster. Yes, it's not quite as fast as those premium laptops out there, but this upgrade is much better than the spinning hard drive. So that's about it guys. If this video helped you in some ways, please hit the thumbs up button and click subscribe. Thanks for watching.